Hello there. Have you ever wondered why some people reach their 90s or even 100s brimming with energy, while others seem to age prematurely? The fascinating thing is that the answer isn't found in expensive medical treatments or the latest health technology. Not at all. The secret to exceptional longevity has been right in front of us for centuries, guarded by monks and Eastern cultures, who understood the transformative power of certain herbal rituals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment on where you're watching from to be featured in the next video. The modern pharmaceutical industry has done an excellent job promoting complex and expensive solutions, hasn't it? Meanwhile, nature continues to offer us accessible and powerful remedies that promote healthy aging and holistic well-being. This ancestral knowledge about specific infusions has been deliberately set aside, despite still being the foundation for exceptional quality of life in old age. Today we're going to discover together how these natural treasures can transform your health and restore the vitality you deserve. Ginger, the internal fire that revitalizes the first treasure bequeathed to us by ancient Buddhist monks, is ginger tea, considered a true elixir of longevity. What a marvel. For centuries, monks used it during spiritual retreats to keep the body warm, the digestive system active, and the mind alert during intense meditation practices. Isn't it fascinating how this seemingly simple root hides so much power? This natural ally is a powerful anti-inflammatory that reduces joint pain, alleviates digestive discomfort, and stimulates blood circulation. Take note of this. It also balances metabolism, protects the immune system, and combats nausea and dizziness. Tibetan monks used it daily to maintain their internal fire in the extreme mountain temperatures, and today modern science confirms that it improves peripheral circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps prevent cardiovascular diseases. To prepare it correctly, boil fresh ginger pieces in water for a few minutes. If you want to enhance its benefits, add a few drops of lemon or a pinch of pure honey. Oh, and if you like these kinds of tips for maintaining your health in your senior years, don't forget to like this video so it reaches more people looking for healthy aging solutions. Rooibos, the red secret of inner calm. Have you heard of rooibos? Originally from South Africa, this red treasure was adopted by Eastern spiritual traditions, including Buddhist communities that valued herbs with high purifying and internally strengthening powers. And for good reason. This tea possesses unique qualities that make it an exceptional ally for health and well-being. The wonderful thing about rooibos is that it naturally contains no caffeine, making it perfect for any time of day without disturbing your sleep. It's incredibly rich in powerful antioxidants like aspalathin and nothofagin. These compounds fight inflammation, improve circulation, and help regulate blood sugar. Additionally, it has a calming effect on the nervous system that naturally reduces stress and anxiety, something fundamental for maintaining quality of life in old age. Let's look at the case of Robert, a 72-year-old man who suffered from chronic insomnia and high blood pressure. Poor fellow. After incorporating rooibos into his nightly routine, he began experiencing deep sleep and a significant reduction in his stress levels and blood pressure. Isn't that incredible? If you too want to share your experiences with natural remedies, leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear your story. The conscious preparation of rooibos. In the Buddhist tradition, rooibos wasn't valued solely for strengthening the physical body, but also for cultivating mental peace. What wisdom! They used it in silent ceremonies as preparation for deeper states of meditation, understanding that the health of body and mind are intrinsically connected. To achieve healthy aging, to prepare it correctly and maximize its longevity benefits, use pure rooibos without mixing it with other herbs. Let it steep in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Pay attention to this. The longer you let it steep, the more antioxidants it will release. The monks prepared it in silence as part of a conscious ritual, understanding that intention and mindfulness enhance its properties. You can combine it with orange or lemon slices during infusion for a refreshing touch. And if you're enjoying these well-being tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more health and longevity secrets every week. Green tea, mental clarity, and extended youth. My goodness, what a wonder green tea is. Considered a sacred ally by Buddhist monks, this millennial infusion strengthens the mind, purifies the body, and expands clarity of consciousness. Can you imagine? For centuries, monks consumed it before long meditation sessions to maintain a state of calm alertness, fundamental to their spiritual and physical well-being. This green treasure is extremely rich in catechins, extremely powerful antioxidants that combat premature aging and reduce internal inflammation. What a discovery! Additionally, it strengthens the cardiovascular system, something essential for maintaining independence in old age. Its mild caffeine content combined with L-theanine generates a unique mental state, calm focus and stable energy, without the peaks and valleys caused by other, stimulating beverages. Let's take the case of Susan, a 69-year-old woman who noticed mental slowness, frequent forgetfulness, and decreased physical energy. Poor thing. After including 2 cups of pure green tea in her daily routine, she began experiencing greater mental clarity, physical lightness, and constant well-being. If you too have noticed positive changes in your health thanks to natural remedies, like this video and share it with those who might benefit from this knowledge about healthy aging. The green tea ceremony, a ritual of presence. In the Buddhist tradition, preparing green tea wasn't a simple everyday act, but a ceremony performed with extreme reverence. How beautiful. Each gesture was made with full attention and gratitude, understanding that the way tea is prepared and consumed directly affects its health and longevity benefits. To prepare it correctly, use hot but not boiling water, 75 to 80 degrees, to preserve the antioxidants and delicate flavor. Pay attention to this. If the water is too hot, you'll destroy many of its beneficial compounds. Let the leaves steep for just 2 to 3 minutes and drink it in small sips, breathing deeply between each one. You can enhance it with a slice of lemon or some fresh mint leaves. The next time you prepare your green tea, try making it a small self-care ritual. Turn off your phone, breathe deeply, and concentrate on each step of the process. You'll see what a difference it makes. This mindful practice not only improves your physical well-being but also your mental quality of life. Would you like to share in the comments how this experience has worked for you? We'd love to know if you've noticed changes in your health by incorporating these healthy habits. Chamomile, the ancient balm for deep rest. Oh, chamomile. One of the oldest herbs known to humanity and considered sacred by Buddhist monks and natural healers. Did you know it has the power to calm the body, restore the mind, and rebalance the entire nervous system? It's no coincidence that it has survived the passage of time as a remedy for holistic well-being. This wonderful plant promotes deep relaxation and restorative sleep, something fundamental for maintaining health in old age. Its anti-inflammatory properties are impressive. It helps reduce joint pain, calms the digestive system, and regulates hormones related to stress and anxiety. Isn't that fascinating? Additionally, it acts gently on brain receptors that control fear and tension, creating a natural feeling of inner peace. Let's look at the case of Linda, a 77-year-old woman who had suffered for years from insomnia, anxiety, and constant muscle pain. What a difficult situation. After incorporating chamomile into her nightly routine, accompanied by deep breathing and moments of silence, her sleep patterns improved dramatically, muscle tension decreased, and her energy began to flourish again. If you're enjoying these tips for healthy aging, don't forget to leave your comment telling us which natural remedies you've tried and how they've worked for you. The chamomile ritual, a portal to inner peace. For Buddhist monks, chamomile represented much more than a simple relaxing infusion. It was a true portal to inner peace. What a beautiful metaphor. They used it especially in times of great transitions and seasonal changes, understanding its power to balance body and mind during periods of instability. To correctly prepare this well-being elixir, use high-quality dried chamomile flowers, not just supermarket tea bags. The difference is enormous. Let them steep in hot water, not too boiling, for at least 8 minutes to extract all their active principles. Drink it in a quiet environment, away from screens and noise, allowing each sip to connect you with a sensation of deep calm. You can enhance its effects by adding a small slice of apple or a cinnamon stick during infusion. What a delight! This small nighttime ritual can completely transform your rest and therefore your quality of life and longevity. Don't you think these small healthy habits are what really make a difference in our long-term health? If this advice has been useful to you, Like the video, so it can reach more people looking to improve their well-being in old age. The fifth T, the best-kept secret. There exists a fifth T, possibly the most powerful of all, whose knowledge has been jealously guarded for centuries. How intriguing. Perhaps it's the reason why there's so much interest in keeping this information away from the general public. This forbidden health secret has been transmitted from master to disciple in Eastern traditions, always with the warning to use it with wisdom and respect. Why have some ancestral traditions kept certain knowledge in reserve? It's not always about hiding information, but ensuring it's received with proper preparation and responsibility. True wisdom about longevity and holistic well-being requires not just knowledge, but also commitment to a coherent lifestyle that honors body and mind. The fascinating thing is that often, the most powerful secrets for health and healthy aging aren't complicated or inaccessible, but simple daily practices performed with consistency and awareness. Don't you think we sometimes look for complex solutions when the answer lies in the basics? If you're enjoying this knowledge about well-being and old age, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos where we'll reveal more ancestral secrets for a full life. The importance of ritual beyond the beverage. Pay attention to this. It's not enough to simply drink these teas. The way we connect with them makes all the difference in the results for our health and longevity. What good is the best tea in the world if we drink it in a rush, stressed, and without paying attention? The monks understood that the ritual is as important as the herb itself. Creating a special moment each day, even if just 5 minutes, to sit, breathe deeply, and dedicate full attention to your tea can completely transform its effect on your well-being. How wonderful! Feel the aroma. Observe the color, sense the warmth in your hands. This practice of presence not only enhances the physical benefits of the infusion, but also nourishes your mind and spirit, fundamental aspects for healthy aging. Learn to respect your body's natural rhythm, observing how it responds to each tea, and creating your own personalized ritual. For example, ginger tea might be ideal for awakening your body in the morning, rooibos for relaxing in the afternoon, and chamomile for preparing for restorative sleep. Have you noticed how different infusions affect your energy and mood? Share your experience in the comments and help us create a community of knowledge about well-being in old age. Conscious intention, the secret ingredient. In the Buddhist tradition, there's a beautiful saying, healing happens in the space between intention and action. How profound. Drinking tea with respect, gratitude, and presence sends a clear message to your body. I'm here. I'm taking care of you. This internal communication is fundamental for activating the natural mechanisms of regeneration and well-being. The quality of water you use also plays a crucial role. Don't underestimate it. Use filtered and pure water, preferably heated slowly. Avoid microwaves or aggressively boiling water, as this can alter the energetic structure of the beverage. The monks always paid special attention to the source and purity of water, considering it the vehicle that transports the healing properties of herbs. Each time you prepare your infusion, do it as an act of love toward yourself, recognizing that these small moments of self-care are investments in your quality of life and longevity. Don't you think we deserve to dedicate these moments of full attention in the midst of our busy lives? If this approach resonates with you, like this video and share it with someone who might benefit from this knowledge about healthy habits and holistic well-being. Beyond teas, a philosophy of life. It's important to clarify something. There are no miraculous solutions. No tea, however powerful, will change your life by itself. Let's be realistic. They are allies, not saviors. True transformation occurs when we understand that health and longevity are the result of a series of daily choices, and that no beverage or magical ritual can substitute real commitment to our body and our life. Buddhist monks taught that daily discipline is the true secret to longevity and inner peace. Such wisdom. It's what we do repeatedly, not occasionally, that determines the destiny we're building. Each small conscious action brings us a little closer to that ideal of healthy aging and holistic well-being that we all yearn for. The holistic approach is fundamental, combining the power of teas with a balanced diet, daily body movement, good nights of sleep, and moments of calm for the active mind. Activates the most powerful forces within us. Don't you think everything is connected? Our physical, mental, and emotional health form an inseparable whole, that we must nourish in an integral way. If these tips are helping you improve your quality of life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more content about well-being and old age. The tree metaphor, nourishing our integral being. I love using this metaphor. Our body is like a great tree. What a powerful image. The roots represent nutrition. The trunk symbolizes movement. The branches are rest and emotional balance. And the teas are like the gentle rain that nourishes this tree day after day. Each element is essential to maintain the vitality and strength of the whole. When we care for all these aspects in an integral way, we create the perfect conditions for healthy aging and full longevity. It's not a matter of luck. It's the result of conscious decisions and healthy habits sustained over time. Ancestral. Wisdom teaches us that true youth isn't in the absence of wrinkles, but in the presence of vitality, mental clarity, and joy of living. No matter what age you are right now, as long as there is consciousness, there will always be space to grow, strengthen, and flourish. Isn't that inspiring? Each day is a new opportunity to nourish your vital tree and harvest the fruits of health and well-being. If this message has resonated with you, leave us a comment sharing which aspects of your tree you feel need more attention at this moment in your life. Incorporating these rituals into your daily life. How can we integrate this ancestral knowledge into our busy modern lives? It's simpler than it seems. Start with small steps. Choose one of these teas and incorporate it into your daily routine for a week. Observe how you feel, what changes you notice in your energy, your rest, and your general well-being. Remember that consistency is more important than intensity. There's no need to revolutionize your entire life at once. A small daily ritual maintained with loving discipline can generate profound transformations in your health and long-term quality of life. The monks weren't looking for immediate results, but cultivating sustainable practices that would nourish their integral well-being throughout their lives. Each of us is unique, so observe how your body responds to these natural remedies and adapt the practices to your specific needs. Which tea resonates more with you? At what time of day do you feel you need that particular support? Listen to your body and trust its innate wisdom. If these tips for healthy aging are proving useful to you, don't forget to like the video and share it with your loved ones who are also looking to improve their well-being in old age. The power of community and shared knowledge. A fundamental aspect that the monks always emphasized was the importance of community on the path to health and longevity. How right they were. Sharing this knowledge, supporting each other, and celebrating our advances together creates an environment conducive to integral well-being. I invite you not to keep these secrets just for yourself. Share them. Organize a small tea ceremony with friends or family. Exchange experiences about natural remedies that have worked for you, and create together a space of mutual support in this journey toward healthy aging and a better quality of life. Remember that knowledge without action is like tea that is never prepared. It cannot offer its benefits. What good is knowing about these remedies if we don't incorporate them into our daily lives? Ancestral wisdom comes alive when we put it into practice, when we make it our own and share it with others. If this community approach resonates with you, leave us a comment telling us with whom you'd like to share these rituals of well-being and health. Conclusion. The true elixir of youth. We've traveled together on a fascinating journey through ancestral wisdom, about the power of certain teas to promote longevity and integral well-being. What a valuable treasure. From revitalizing ginger to restorative chamomile, through balancing rooibos and clarifying green tea, each of these infusions offers unique benefits for our physical and mental health. But the true elixir of youth isn't in any specific herb, but in the conscious and consistent way we take care of ourselves day after day. What a liberating discovery. We don't need expensive treatments or complex technologies to maintain our vitality in old age. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, offers us accessible and powerful remedies that have stood the test of time. Which of these tips seems most useful for your life? Leave your opinion in the comments and share this video with someone who also wants to live a long and healthy life. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos full of practical advice for your well-being. Until next time, I'm Dr. John, and remember, it's never too late to start living better.